Alright, just doing a quick garage update. Also seeing how my new phone's camera works in 4K here. Basically, have shelves. It's about 50 bucks in scrap wood from the same local guy that I got the file cabinets and the table. He had these planks $5 a piece, so looking at about $50 total in the wood for that shelf and that little 2-plank shelf there. Starting to get things a bit more organized. Still have the 2 junk drawers to go through. My pole saw was tearing down my pegboard, so I came up with this little plan. That is a lockout tagout device. 2 screws up through the bottom of the plank. Holds it nicely. Just lift the whole thing off, open up the lockout tagout, and you're gone. So that little plan worked. All my miscellaneous crap. Wiring is done, as you can tell, because it's nighttime and I'm recording. Got a little bit of pegboard set up over by the table. A couple more little shelves. A bunch of scrap and junk. And we do have the wiring now shielded by the pegboard over here. And a little bit of extra storage. Getting that wood was a huge move forward. I was storing everything in these file cabinets here, which for 10 bucks a piece, 60 bucks, that's a whole lot of storage for 60 bucks right there. So that was a hell of a deal. Oh, just in case any of y'all are still out there, yeah, still got my sign. And like I said, not much, just figured I'd do a quick video, show you what the garage looks like now. Little salvage pallet there. That was a temporary work table while I was staining the wood. I might put some legs on it. I mean, it's a fairly solid table now. So that was a $5 pallet right there. So $5 table, not bad. Alrighty, well, y'all have a good one. Hopefully you aren't looking at this going, gee, I want to break into his garage and steal this shit, because, you know, that would suck. But there you go. You have a good one. Take care.